Thank you for visiting my channel. Before we start, please hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons to receive notification of future presentations. Our topic for today is kinds of delivery. Number one is actual or real delivery or traditio realis. For example, a little girl buys a cone of ice cream and the seller hands over the ice cream to her. That is actual or real delivery. Number two is constructive delivery. Under constructive delivery, we have the following subclassifications. A. Tradition by execution of public instrument. For example, you buy yourself a parcel of land and the parties execute a deed of absolute sale that is notarized. That execution will constitute as delivery of the subject matter of the sale. B. Symbolic delivery or traditio symbolica. Symbolic delivery or traditio symbolica is done through the delivery of signs or things which represent that which is being transmitted. For example, delivery of the keys to the car is delivery of the car itself because the car is useless without the keys. C. Traditio longamano or legal delivery. Traditio longamano or legal delivery is made by the grantor by pointing out to the grantee the thing to be delivered. For example, the grantor or seller points to the cow that the grantee or buyer is buying. That will constitute as legal delivery. D. Traditio brevimano or delivery by mere agreement. Traditio brevimano takes place when the buyer is already in possession of the object at the time of the sale. For example, a lessee buys the house that he is renting. Before the sale, he was the lessee. After the sale, he is the owner. By mere agreement, the property is deemed to have been delivered to him. E. Constitutum possessorium. Constitutum possessorium takes place when the seller is in possession of the property before and after the sale. For example, the owner of a house sells the house to a buyer, but he doesn't move out and rents it afterwards. Before the sale, he was the owner. After the sale, he is a lessee. Constitutum possessorium is the opposite of traditio brevimano. Number three is quasi-tradition. Quasi-tradition is delivery of incorporeal or intangible things such as rights and obligations through symbolic means instead of physical transfer. This happens when physical delivery is impractical. Examples of incorporeal or intangible things are lease rights, title, intellectual property, and shares of stocks. Delivery is deemed made when the grantee uses the grantor's rights with the latter's consent. Number four is tradition by operation of law. Under tradition by operation of law, delivery is effected solely by virtue of an express provision of law. Under tradition by operation of law, we have the following examples. Execution sale or levy and auction. When a court issues a writ of execution and orders the sheriff to sell a debtor's property at a public auction, the highest bidder becomes the new owner. Delivery is considered to have occurred when the sheriff issues the certificate of sale. Expropriation. When the government takes private property for public use through eminent domain, ownership transfers upon payment of just compensation or upon order of the court, even if the owner does not voluntarily hand over the property. Succession or inheritance. Upon the death of a person, their heirs become owners of the estate by operation of law, even without a formal act of delivery. Foreclosure of mortgage. A foreclosure sale if the mortgagor or lender acquires the property after the auction and the redemption period expires, ownership transfers to the mortgagee without needing a separate act of delivery. Judicial rescission or resolution of sale. If a court orders the rescission of a contract due to a breach, for example, non-payment of the purchase price, the ownership of the property reverts to the seller by operation of law. Legal redemption. In cases where the law grants a person the right to redeem property, for example, co-owners or adjoining landowners, ownership transfers upon payment of the redemption price, even if the current holder does not willingly deliver the property. In sum, here are the different kinds of delivery. Thank you. If you find this presentation helpful, please subscribe to receive notification of future lectures.